Hi, I'm Susie at Complete Pilates. So today I'm just going to talk you through the Reformer because lots of people find the Reformer can be really intimidating looking, but once you get to know all the different parts, it's not so intimidating, and once you start using the Reformer, you find out how nice it is to use, how supportive and comfortable and smooth. So there are lots of different types of Reformers and different brands of Reformers. We use the Balanced Body Allegro 2 here. All Reformers will have the same things in terms of a sliding carriage with shoulder pads, they have straps, they have a foot bar, and they have springs that attach the carriage to the Reformer frame. So I'm just going to talk you through those in a little bit more detail. First of all, we have the foot bar at the end. That one is adjustable, so it goes to 3 different heights. Then we've got the springs, which have varying resistance levels on. So we use 3 colours, 3 red ones, 1 blue and 1 yellow, and they're different strengths. So the red spring is strength of 1, and the blue is a half, and the yellow is a quarter. And so we can adjust those depending on what we want to do with our exercise, whether we want more or less resistance. We've got the carriage, which is basically a sliding platform that will move up and down the frame. And then we've got our straps, which can be adjusted, and they normally will have large and small loops, so you can adjust those to fit the person or to be adjusted for whether you want to use them for arms or legs, or depending on the exercise.